In this video, we are going to see the answers of 8th Standard Social Science Workbook, Unit 7, The Judiciary, Worksheet number 20. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, find the incorrect statement. So, given statement la எது incorrect ஒன்னு find பண்ணணும். Answer is option D. Kula courts are equal to the Supreme Court. Second question, pick the odd man out. Answer is option C. Fatava I. Alamgiri. Third question, Vimala is a housemaid arrested for a theft case. She denied thieving, but she is produced in a court called Dash. Answer is option B, Session Court. Fourth question, Articles 124 and 147 of the Constitution of India lay down the composition and jurisdiction of Dash. Answer is option A, High Court of India. Fifth question, Statement 1, an effective judiciary should be independent as well as accountable. Statement 2, Indian judiciary system is an independent system like the judiciary system of the USA. Answer is option A. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Sixth question, a set of rules to govern a country is called as. Answer is Constitution. Seventh question, in ancient India, the social duties for the individuals is defined by dash. Answer is Smritis. Eighth question, during the medieval period, the court language is dash. Answer is Arabic. Ninth question, the act that made provision for the formation of Supreme Court is called dash. Answer is Regulating Act of 1773. 10th question, Article 32 and Article 226 empower the High Court and Supreme Court to issue. Answer is writs. The following by using the hints given. 11th question, the head of a state. Answer is Governor. 12th question, Department of Law Enforcement. Answer is Judiciary. 13th question, joint responsibility to the legislature. Answer is Cabinet. 14th question, protects rights and freedom of citizen. Answer is Constitution. 15th question, debate and legislate the law. Answer is Assembly. 4th Roman letter, match the following. 16th question, first one, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer is option D, Fiqh-e Feroz Shahi. Second question, Aurangzeb. Answer is option C, Fatima I. Alamgiri. Third question, Warren Hastings. Answer is option B, Sadar Diwari Adalat, Sadar Nizamat Adalat. Fourth question, Lord Cornwallis. Answer is option E, the structure of courts in India. Fifth question, Lord William Bentinck. Answer is option A, abolition of circuit courts. Fifth Roman letter, true or false. 17th question, the Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India retires at age 60. Answer is false. 18th question, the President has the power to dismiss the Chief Justice of India. Answer is true. 19th question, the District Court deals with the civil and criminal cases. Answer is true. 20th question, the President appoints the Chief Justice of High Court. Answer is true. 21, Munsif Court is the highest court which deals with criminal cases. Answer is false. 6th Roman letter, identify the following courts based on the hints given below. இந்த hints பேஸ் பண்ணி கீழே கொடுத்துருக்க பிக்சரில் வந்து எந்த கோர்ட்ஸ் டினோட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஐ வாஸ் பார்ன் ஆன் 28th January 1950. ஆன்சர் இஸ் சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா. இங்கே வேர் ஐ எம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நியூ டெல்லி. தென் செகண்ட் ஒன், ஐ வாஸ் பார்ன் இன் 1801 but they degraded me. ஆன்சர் வந்து சென்னை ஹை கோர்ட் ஆர் மெட்ராஸ் ஹை கோர்ட். பிளேஸ் வந்து தமிழ்நாடு. தேர்ட் ஒன், I am the oldest one in India. Answer is Calcutta High Court. லொக்கேஷன் வந்து கொல்கத்தா, வெஸ்ட் பெங்கால். 4th one, I was born in 1824 but they degraded me. Answer is Mumbai High Court. Location வந்து மகாராஷ்டிரா. And 5th question வந்து I am the largest one in India. Answer is Allahabad High Court located in Uttar Pradesh. 7th Roman letter, identify the jumbled words and answer. 23rd question, first one, the highest court of India. Answer is Supreme Court. Hints வந்து இங்கே ஜம்பிள்டு வேர்ட்ஸாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். செகண்ட் ஒன், அப்பாயிண்ட்ஸ் சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ். ஆன்சர் இஸ் பிரசிடென்ட். தேர்ட் ஒன், அப்பாயிண்ட்ஸ் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஜட்ஜ். ஆன்சர் இஸ் கவர்னர். ஃபோர்த் ஒன், hears criminal cases at district level. Answer is magistrate. Fifth one, hears civil cases at the district level. Answer is munsif. Eighth Roman letter, answer by seeing the picture. In the picture base பண்ணி answer பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. 24th one, the picture shows. Answer is Supreme Court of India located in New Delhi. Third one, what are the importance of this place? Right? Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution and the highest court of appeal. Fourth question, there is a theft at your neighborhood. The person in loss is intention. What are the guidance you will suggest him? Answer, guides to register complaint in nearby police station. I will explain them about the litigation process and give confidence of legal process. 10th Roman letter, write the given jurisdiction of Supreme Court in the table given. So given jurisdiction இந்த table fill பண்ணணும். First one is original jurisdiction. First statement, it concerns disputes between two or more states. Then appellate jurisdiction. இது கரெக்டாக வர்றது வந்து third option. It is the highest court in the states. Next is advisory jurisdiction. இது கரெக்டான மேட்ச் ஆகிற ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து செகண்ட் ஒன்று. இட் கேன் ரிப்போர்ட் ஆர் அட்வைஸ் த பிரசிடென்ட் இன் ஜுடிஷியரி. நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் சபார்டினேட் ஜூரிஸ்டிக்ஷன். ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஃபோர்த் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். இன் த ஆப்சன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பிரசிடென்ட் அண்ட் த வைஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் த சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ் கேன் ஆக்ட் அஸ் எ பிரசிடென்ட். தென் 26th question, to register the crimes happening at your residential area, what are the informations does the first information record requires? Answer, first one is your name and address. Second is date, time and location of incident you are reporting. Then third is true facts of the incidents. And fourth is name and descriptions of the persons involved in the incident. 9th Roman letter, answer the following questions. 27th question, write note on Law Commission 1833. Answer, the commission was established in 1834 under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay under Charter Act of 1833, which recommended codification of the Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code. 11th Roman letter, answer the following questions. 27th question, write notes on Law Commission 1833. Answer, the commission was established in 1834 under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay under Charter Act of 1833, which recommended codification of the Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code. 28th question, name the laws that empower courts to act independently. Answer, to ensure the independence of the court with full power of judicial review, Supreme Court Rules 1966 are framed under Article 145 of the Constitution to regulate the practice and procedure of the Supreme Court. 29th question, the Indian judiciary system is a model of American judiciary system. Do you agree? How? Answer, the power of judicial review and independence of judiciary are obtained from United States Constitution. So, Indian judiciary system is a model of American judiciary system.